In this video, we'll explore the differences between common electrical protection devices, MCB, MCCB, RCCB, RCBO, and ELCB. The primary goal of these devices is safety. Some are designed specifically to protect wires from damage, while others are designed to protect people from electric shock. Overloads and short circuits can melt wires and destroy valuable equipment. Protection devices are essential to prevent these faults from causing permanent damage. The MCB, or miniature circuit breaker, is commonly used in homes for low-current circuits up to 125 amps. It acts quickly to stop overloads and short circuits, shielding your wiring. How does an MCB react so fast? It uses a solenoid. During a short circuit, a massive surge of current flows through the coil, generating a strong magnetic field that pulls a metal latch, causing the breaker to trip instantly. For heavy industrial equipment, we use the MCCB, or molded case circuit breaker. It handles much higher currents, up to 2,500 amps, and often allows engineers to manually adjust trip settings. Standard MCBs cannot detect every type of fault. For example, if earth leakage occurs, the current might bypass the neutral wire and travel through a person, which the MCB won't recognize. This is where the RCCB, or residual current circuit breaker, comes in. It is specifically designed to protect humans by detecting tiny amounts of earth leakage, effectively preventing lethal shocks. The RCCB constantly monitors the current in the phase and neutral wires. If it detects even a slight mismatch between what goes in and what comes out, it identifies a leakage and trips in milliseconds. You might also see the ELCB, but this is older technology that measures voltage on the earth wire. It has largely been replaced by modern, more reliable RCCBs. If you need total protection, consider the RCBO. This hybrid device combines the functions of an MCB and an RCCB, guarding against overloads, short circuits, and earth leakage simultaneously. Here is a quick summary of what each device handles. Note that only the RCBO covers all three common electrical faults effectively. When choosing a breaker, consider the environment and your specific current demands. You want to balance the level of equipment protection against the necessary human safety features. Modern electrical safety relies on layered protection. By using independent circuits, we can isolate faults and keep the rest of your system operational if one area trips. To wrap up, MCBs and MCCBs protect equipment, RCCBs protect people, and the RCBO provides comprehensive protection for both. Stay safe and ensure your systems are properly protected.